Most people spend hours thinking about what to post on LinkedIn, but the truth is, great content already exists. You just need to use it smartly. That's exactly what ConnectSafely.ai helps you do. Let's say I found a valuable post on Reddit, something about AI in sales or outreach. Now I'm simply pasting the link here. As you can see on my screen, I have pasted the link. And with just one click, ConnectSafely.ai transforms it into a clean, professional LinkedIn post. And just wait for a few seconds after clicking the generate option. And let's wait for the results. Now, as you can see on my screen, this tool removes the noise, keeps the core insights, and rewrites in a way that actually fits LinkedIn audience. You can change the formatting from here by selecting the entire post, and you can also select or see the preview of the LinkedIn on the right side. And as you can see on my screen, the tone is more professional, the formatting is structure, and it's ready to post instantly. This means no more overthinking, no more rewriting from scratch, and no wasted time. You are basically turning already working content into high quality LinkedIn posts in seconds. And the best part, this tool is completely free. So if you want to stay consistent, save time, and grow faster on LinkedIn, this is something you should definitely try. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you in another video.